Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys using the new ABH collection, the sunset and the daytime, and I'm going to be using the cool tones today on my eyes, but I also had to go in with this beautiful gold shade. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. I'm going to go in with this shade first. I don't typically do looks with cool tone shadows, so this is definitely out of my comfort zone. And it may end horribly, but we're gonna try to make sure it doesn't end horribly. Although, it's looking a little patchy. I'm using the Jeffree Star Morphe brush set. Next, I'm going to take my JH30 to blend out the edges so that none of them are harsh. As for me, cool tones tend to not blend as well, which is why I never do cool tone looks. But you guys voted on this, and the majority wanted me to do the cool tones first. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the brown. I'm going to be doing it in the same order that I did on my lid. Now I'm going to take the purpley blue shade and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Yeah, I'm so glad I picked this up. That is the most beautiful shade I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. I'm just bringing that into the center of my lid and starting to blend it out into the outer corner and the crease. So I'm going to go in with the other palette and I am going to use this on the inner corner. Oh, I'm so glad I got this collection. I wasn't going to buy it, but I am so glad I did. So this is the finished look after using the ABH collection. I used both the sunset palette and the daytime palette, but I will make sure to do a look with just this palette sometime down the road. I will also be reviewing these very, very soon.